Good morning, crafting friends. Cheryl Ann here. Today is Saturday, June 13th, and I wanted to take you through this altered book that I'm currently making. I'm kind of following along Gina Johnson over at the Rebookery and how she does hers, and I will put a link to her YouTube in the description and in the comments. So if you want to take a look, you can go over and check hers out. So this is an altered book. So I've taken out about a third of the pages. I put some decorative stamping there. I haven't done anything here. I did want to reinforce this page, and she suggests using just plain this is, I think, 1.5 inch wide masking tape. So we'll kind of go through here, and then when this whole thing is done, I'll show you the final product. Here I just put some acrylic paints, and then I did the stamping. I have an archival ink pad, which is fern green, and I really want to use that one. So it's gonna have kind of a floral, sunflowerish theme. I have put washi tape on some of the pages, not on every one. I alternated with fabric and then washi tape because I love them both. And here's one. This is acrylic. And I'll point out some things that I've discovered as I've been doing this. Because, you know, this is only the second one I've made in a long time. See, I'll want to go back and cover most of that up. So that I can do. I'm kind of trying to match the acrylic paints with the fabric on the edges of the pages. And that I want to cover up. Otherwise, I don't mind the... Whoops, there. Okay, so this is what I've discovered. I was mid-thought and I forgot what I was saying. This is done with acrylic, and anytime, you know, she says, anytime you put water on paper. Now look, see, this is coming up. And that was glued with, let me take a look. Yeah, the Elmer's Craft Glue. I did the repositioning one. But then when I went back to Michael's, they had a 5-pack of this, the Photo Stick Craft Bond, which is, I'm going to have to read it here. Oh, it's in French. Dries clear. I think it's supposed to be permanent. So I started using that one at the end, and for the most part, I just did use the Craft Bond. And you can see, you know, when you get water on it, so I'm going to have to do, let me mark this page. Yeah, I'm going to have to glue the bottom of that. And, oh, this one. Yes. This one had quite a bit of liquid. It was acrylic, but I dip it in a little bit of water. So I just went over the bottom of this page, but I went over it with my 3-in-1 because I know that will hold it, and these glue sticks, they just are not doing the trick. Here's another one. I need to redo that. I'm so thankful now I put the fabric on the edges, because that does help keep the edges sealed down. Let's see. Oh, that one's pretty good. This one, that one's pretty good. So some of them were okay. That one's okay. This one's still a little wet. It's supposed to be 100 here today, so I wanted to get out on my side porch. And now this is watercolor, so this had a lot of water, and actually it didn't warp too badly. I'm thinking on this page though, I I might want to run a little fabric along there just to help keep it down. So I am gonna mark that page. And then see, I haven't done that. I did this one. This is watercolor, and let's see. Oh, that one's okay. Oh, this one? Entire page. I'm gonna have to redo this entire page. So where's my glue stick? I don't want to forget that one. Yeah, that has to be redone. See, the water just, you know, and I didn't know. I haven't done this before. Well, I did one. Oh, here's another one. Look at this one. Oh, and see, that's got stitching down the side of the page. So I did stitching, or I did fabric, or I did washi tape. But even now, look at that. Oh my goodness. So that has to be redone. I always put wax paper over them before they're, see here, before they're almost dry. So that one needs a little bit, and that one has fabric. This one I think we did too, yeah. Oh, this one I put some, that's Dilution sprays. I just did a couple little spritzes. Yeah, see, look at that. I'll have to redo that one. And, you know, this one, see that? I also have my, I ordered some more of the glitter glue, so I might, I think that's as far as I got. Yeah, that's as far as I got, and I haven't even done the back. Oh, here's one I did a long time ago. I did that sitting here at night one evening, so I glued down the fabric, and then I wanted to get some colors to match it. So anyway, that's what I've got done so far. If you're gonna make one of these, I would suggest maybe you make a trial one first, which I did, but this one, because I think the pages are so much bigger and there's more of them. I think this one has about 33 pages, so oops, that's the one I have to redo the entire page. But you know, you live and learn. I mean, it's a learning process, right? So I'll get her done. I'll show you what I want to put on her. I was really getting away from digitals, but somebody had mentioned Sunny Mornings by Calico Collage, and they're just, oh my gosh, they're just gorgeous. Look at these colors. Oh my gosh, and the bee. And I cut that out. Now some of my fabric, I want to get the bird in there at some point. Look at these colors. Oh my gosh, I'm just drooling. I am absolutely drooling. So, you know, I do want to get these on some of the pages, and then I also have these are the little add-ons. I also have the sunflowers from Mrs. Cog. I love her digitals. Oh, this little cottage and the sunflowers and the thatched roof. I'm not going to use all of these. Oh, this is Busy in the Garden. This is another. I bought 3 of her things. She's got a sale, or she did. I love the little girl with the sewing. So anyway, so I thought, you know, with these colors, see, I thought those would look really, the orange and the yellow and the green and the brown and kind of the sunflower colors. I thought, oh, those would, look at that one here. The sunflower fabric and the sunflowers, and also the Calico Collage. Look at those colors. They'll look really nice. Like look at that. Oh, that'd be fun. So I still have plenty to do here, but I thought I'd take you through this process. So this is kind of the before and during, and then I'll do an after one when she's all done. And I think I am going to put this one in my Etsy shop. Also my coffee, and I'll put the links to both of them in the description and in the comments. So, but she's not done yet. I'm probably going to need another week for this one. So until next time, happy crafting. Bye for now.